Hello everyone, this is Wei, and today we're going to talk about OpenLive3D, and this is the update for December last year. And this is also the annual review for 2023. We're going to look back to what we planned for 2023 and also what we were able to do during the year. So first of all, let's take a look at December. Right, so in December, we plan to actually have some integration with the new holistic model that in the GitHub discussion, Google Media Pipe claimed that they plan to update it. However, it didn't happen, right? So we still haven't got a new version of the holistic model that supported the 52 blend shape yet. And we'll also need a new holistic model in the new Vision package, which is a brand new, kind of like a new framework compared to the current framework that we were using, right? So we weren't able to do the upgrade and we weren't able to apply that 52 blend shape into our system. When we actually got it, when Google actually updated it, that will be quite a large change. So we will probably need some weekends, like maybe 4 weekends, if we actually got a new version from MediaPipe and actually able to have that updated. But since Google haven't got a chance to update their library, yeah, we weren't able to do anything last December. But other than December, we actually did quite a lot last year, right? So looking back to our plan that we had when we set in 2022, this was our plan, only one item, multi-language support. And we're glad to say that we actually have multi-language supported. It's not fully functional, I would say, because we don't have every item translated. Open for contribution, of course. So the module, the architecture, the system is there. Hopefully we'll be able to get more contribution in multi-language, but at least we do have multi-language support now. So yeah, congratulations to us. We are able to achieve our roadmap. And other than that, these are the things that we were able to do to complete last year, right? So in February, we have a hotfix for the machine learning model because Google secretly updated their artifact in the previously released model tag. Like, I have no idea why, but it caused us like some trouble. Like, take us a full week to actually have that fixed. And then in March, we updated the FPS limit, so you're able to limit the refresh rate, the FPS frame per second, of the website, so you can have a better overall performance and resource consumption to your desire. And then in May, we have the multi-language support. And then in June, we are able to export the post information from the website and also the app, of course. And in July, we got our first major contribution from GhostWeb. Thanks to him, we have some multi-language contribution. This is the first ever, I think, multi-language contribution that we got. Right, so yeah, this worthy thing of note that I put it here. And then in September, we have a major rewrite. We actually rewrite a lot of things. Almost the entire core was rewrited. And we also added the visual effect function in September. And in October, we have the Safari support. And that's it for 2023. I would say we actually completed quite a lot in terms of an open source that don't have a lot of maintainer. But we hope to keep it up. We still got a lot of things to do in 2024. So here's the plan, right? So the plan is that we got 2 items. We're not going to overcommit. We're not even going to commit on these 2 items, right? So the first one, 52 blend shape. we need to wait for Google Media Pipe to update their Holosk libraries. Right? If they didn't update it, we were not able to complete this. Right? So we're still waiting for Google Media Pipe for the 52 blend shape, but I will promise that if they actually make an update, I'm still following up on that every month or so. If they actually make the update, we will commit our time to actually integrate the 52 blend shape into OpenLive3D. And the second one is still in a question mark. I'm not exactly sure how we're going to do it. To use mobile phone to capture the motion of the face, and then using this motion to control our like 3D models in the OpenLive3D app. I'm not exactly sure how we are going to do this. We did have some research, and in the survey we are able to allocate one of the open source library that could have some of the functions that we need, but we still need to check. Right, so for this item, maybe we were able to work on it at the later half of the year, like maybe start in July, and then we can keep on going until maybe October, November. So these two are the items that we plan for 2024. I don't actually have a lot of time actually since I joined this new job. I would say it's quite hectic, but I definitely still got time for code reviews. Right, so welcome to contribute to the project. Right, so please contribute either for these two roadmaps that we have, or for any new functions that you would like to edit. It would be fantastic that anyone will be able to contribute to the project. Right, so yeah, that's it for our 2023 review and also the December update. And have a nice year. Bye bye.